Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to do this eye look, gold smoky brown eye look. It's for night glam or for party look. So keep on watching guys. So now I'm gonna be using my favorite, all-time favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in dark brown, as you can see in the video.
Just grab my hand.
And if you want to see my full video of how to do eyebrow, the link is in my description box, so you can click it and you can see my full video of how to do eyebrow. So for eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade 10. Then I'm going to be using my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge to blend everything out. To set my eyes, I'm going to be using the Johnson's Baby Powder just to set it. So now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And my first color I'm going to be using, that is burnt orange, as you can see in the video. I'm using it on my crease with this brush, that is Royal and Langnickel crease brush. So the next color I'm using Real Gar on the same brush. I'm gonna be putting it into my crease, as you can see in the video.
Place in this world of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from him, send with me tonight.
So for the next darker color, I'm going to be using from this palette, that is Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. So the shade I'm going to be using, that is Cocoa, as you can see in the video. And I'm going to apply this right down on my crease, little bit down on my crease, as you can see in the video. And just I'm going to be blending it. I'm using this brush, that is Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush.
This
going to be using the same color and I'm going to be putting it all over on my lid. And I won't be blending it a lot because I have already blended on my crease the same color. So I'm going to be just tapping it on my lid, sorry, as you can see in the video.
Do all the crazy things that I shouldn't mention. Not really sure, but it feels like my feet are glued to the floor. Don't wanna open up my mouth, cause I'm afraid of what's gonna come out. Life is but a dream. This can't be happening. Wake up, scream. I'm in a twisted reality. Twisted.
So with the same color, I'm gonna be putting it on my lower lash line with this brush, that is Zoeva eye pencil brush, as you can see in the video. Next, for the pressed glitter, I'm using this from Cleo Cosmetics glitter eyeshadow. It has 24 colors in it, as you can see. It is a pressed glitter, so I'm gonna be using today the gold one. As you can see, it's really very pigmented, and you should apply this with your fingers, as you can see in the video how I'm applying it. And one more thing guys, I forgot to mention, it is not the real one, it's the first copy of it, the first copy of this palette.
I'm in a twisted reality.
So for primer, I'm using this L'Oreal Paris, and to cover my dark circle and under eye, I'm using the LA Girl Cosmetics color corrector in orange.
In the sky, gazing far into.
Then I will be using this foundation. It's from L'Oreal Paris in 3D3W. Then I will be blending it with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. And for concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Concealer Instant Age Rewind in medium.
Baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you.
So for setting my foundation and concealer, I'm going to be using this Johnson's Baby Powder with this brush. It is buffing brush from Real Techniques. So now for my contouring, I'm using this. It is from Anastasia. I'm going to be taking this shade Havana, and with this brush, that is contour brush from Real Techniques. Next, for mascara, I'm using this. It's from L'Oreal also. It is False Lash Extreme in black. As you can see in the video, I really love this mascara. It gives you long lashes. Then to line my eye waterline, I'm gonna be using this. It is from NYX Cosmetics eye pencil in black, just to line my water eye line. Then to highlight my cheekbones, I'm gonna be using this. It's from Anastasia also, Ultimate Glow Kit. I'm gonna be mixing two colors, that is White Sand and Sun Ray, and I'm gonna be using it with this brush. This is from Real Techniques Setting Brush. Just gonna highlight on my cheekbones, as you can see in the video. I really love this highlight. As you can see, it glows, and it even glows in dark also. For lipstick, I'm using this lipstick. It is from Colourpop Cosmetics Ultra Matte Lipstick. As you can see,
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you.
so yeah guys, this is the final look of mine. I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. As you know that this is the look for night out or party look. So yeah guys, so thank you for watching my video. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will be putting my Instagram link, my Instagram page link in my description box. Please do follow me in Instagram also. So yeah guys, thank you for watching my video. Love you guys.